Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tech tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you a new update which is going to be very cool for any AI user. So if you already know how to use Grok, I'm not going to go to any details, straight to the video, just showing the update here. So first, if you just go to the imagine section and if you click on this video, then go to this image section, you can see there's the option of animate images, and now you can upload up to 7 images for a video. In the old update, you can only use one image to create video. Now you can upload several images to create video. So let me show you one of the example to use this in action. As you can see, this is the prompt and I have uploaded 2 images. As you can see, now you can upload multiple images. So this is the first image which I will use as a background, and this is the second image which I'm going to use as a last shot or the last frame. So I just tell in the prompt here, use the first image as the background from image 1, and wind blowing, a dragonfly from the sky and lay down calmly from the image 2. So this is the image 2, and after that, when I create that video, this is the result that I got. So as you can see, the results are pretty accurate from the first frame to last frame. So this was my first frame and this is the last frame. So let me show you how to use it for use case as an example. So first we're going to go to the imagine section. I'm going to randomly upload 2 images here. First I upload a image of a car, then I want to transform this car into a robot here like a transformer. So for the last frame, I have already created an image of the robot here with the car. As you can see, this is going to be my last frame. So whenever you want to use the image, the car from the first image, so you need to type here add, and after you typing add, this will show you how many images that you uploaded. Here's the image 1, so I'm going to use the image 1 as the first scene. So this is the last form that I gave, is that the car from the image 1 going to transform into this robot from image 2. So type add and I select the image 2 like a transformer robot with smooth motion and cinematic style with the transformer like audio. So if I just click on submit, it's going to create the video for me. So after giving the prompt, this is the result that we got, and see how cool is the result is. So as you can see, this is going to be a very cool update from Grok AI. Now you can use multiple images to control your video more. So I'm going to show you some more cool use cases. One of the cool use cases that I'm going to show you is that now you can create your product video with more control. Like I use 3 images here. As you can see, this is the image for a person, this is the second image for the background, and this is the product which I'm going to use in my video. So this is the prompt that I use, which is called person from the image 1 at, you have to type at and then select the image. Then sitting on the sofa with the background, I choose the image 2, and the camera zoom to the person, then the person from image 1 say hi. So you can also use text here, then reach out to his pocket to show this perfume, which is the perfume image that I uploaded here. Now the result that I got here is this.
Hi.
Now as you can see, you can now extend this frame to use more text and make the video more for your product. This is one of the cool use cases. So right now you can upload more images, like you can upload up to 7 images or 7 objects that you can put on your video to control the video more. So that's it guys, this is the update that I want to show you, which is available right now for free in Grok. You can use it. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.